Yeah. What it do, gang? Summer Styles TV, baby. We done made it to the car show of the Stunner Jam. This is the very first car show that Stunner Reese and CJ on 32s had actually done. So, you know, we out here. This is like the guest parking. Out here, the spectators, rather. And then, you know, if you got VIP or whatever, you got to pay like $30. But we out here. So there's going to be a lot of copywriting out here. It's not my intention, but it is what it is for right now. Got some little vehicles coming in there right now. You can't get in. This is, man, Monty on 32s right here.
It is, man. It's your boy Monty on 32s. Checking in with another video out here with the car show, man. Stunner Reese car show, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, man. Smash that like button for my mans, y'all.
For real, dog.
Only way he going is up.
Yeah.
I already know what it is, man. 32 gang in the building.
32 gang in the building.
Yes.
All right, here we go, y'all. Oh yeah, this PC shit right here.
Yeah.
This is definitely PC shit right here. Look how you got this shit. Look at the Forgiatos in the Ram, bro. Look at this shit, bro. You got 2 TVs in here. How's he not killing? See that? Look at the engine. Look at you. Look at you. Why you showing out? Why you showing out? So we're finna ride through here. The front wheels look dope. He went crazy with the hood. This bro shit right here. Sick. Yeah. Look at the hood. We got the hood right. Y'all gotta see this in person. What the hell is this? This going down.
I'm gonna fuck with you.
And Monty. Got you back on here, Monty. Yeah, I see you, baby. Okay, then with the C8, lime green. Oh, you got a little tube in that joint. Remember the 2 yellow cars? Okay, Playboy Jeezy. Playboy Jeezy. Ooh, with the colognes. He ain't playing old school with the Hertz shifter. You know what I mean? This how you getting down with it. Well, you gotta watch these boys. These boys going crazy. Okay, then. Alright, I see you, big fan. New York, okay, New York. Now we on CJ shit. This shit crazy. Now I'm here, live, indirect. Check out this motherfucker. Done by PC Customs. my very first car.
77?
That's my year I was born.
Okay.
It was my very first car, and I ain't never seen it different than like how I'm looking at it right now. And you went crazy. You went crazy. I'm 7 Styles TV, bro.
Say again?
I'm 7 Styles TV.
7 Styles TV?
Yeah. I'm from Chicago, but I moved to Milwaukee.
Okay.
So then I just came from Milwaukee to come out here for Stunner. You know, he rocking with the 32 gang.
How you say it? The 7 Styles?
Yeah, 7 Styles TV.
Subscribe right now, bro.
Man, I appreciate it, bro. All the love, man. I'm all around content, bro.
I'm in there, bro.
I appreciate you, brother. You want to do a shout out?
Man, shout out to 7 Styles TV, man.
That's what's up.
Love. Appreciate the love, bro.
Much love, brother.
Yeah.
The white boys pulling up crazy. We got Tunchi over there and shit. I'm finna go say what's up to Tunchi, man.
Check the weather and it's getting real. I'll be outside. I'ma drop this shit and have these pussies dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can look me in the eyes.
I'm out here, man. Gotta catch this contact. It boots.
I survived, beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga died.
How y'all doing? Good, good. What up, Big Boots? How y'all feeling? What's going on? Where the Swervos at? Yeah. Man, we trying to make it happen, you know what I mean? Had to come out here. I see you keeping it clean, man. Man, it doesn't look dirty, though. You know? Oh, yeah, on the E-Way. Hell yeah, man, I'm just trying to catch some contact. Trying to grind a little bit. Yeah, I think it's yeah. What up, Toots? I ain't making no hamburgers today, bro.
No, I'll show you. Where the burgers at, man?
Yeah, I ain't making no burgers today. Congratulations on the truck. I've been watching the fuck out of you, bro. So, you know what I mean? I seen when y'all put the stamp on there.
Yeah.
I've been on that, on all that. You know what I'm saying? Downtown, everything, bro. I've been just trying to keep it up and learn more from you guys. And I got 2 cameras. I'm out here, and I got another one. I just got the mic for it. I'm gonna go crazy. But I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all my inspiration, man, on this YouTube shit, though.
Man, I appreciate you, bro.
Man, look, subscribe to me, bro. 7 Styles.
Yeah, I got you. I'm with you on that.
Yeah.
Word.
We're gonna do vlog on vlog.
They got all this thing on YouTube, man.
I know, man.
I'm about to cut out this. I'm about to cut you out. I'm about to cut the, go ahead.
7 Styles TV, man. Y'all can sit there and look me up, like, subscribe, and share, man. I'm out here with Tucci. Shout out to Tucci. Press that like button. I know we got all this copyrighting in the back. It ain't our fault. Yeah, go check me out, baby. Blog on blog. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go to work. All right, love, bro. Photo. Yeah, man. Bro, listen, bro. Hey, man, I was trying to catch your name. Remember, I just caught the last video when you and CJ for you to drive the car here.
Yeah, I drove
Every
here.
time I look you up, bro, I could not get to your YouTube.
I'm gonna show you
bro.
why. You ready? Or
Yeah,
you
yeah.
recording?
Matter of fact, no, I'm gonna take it. this dually. He went crazy with that shit. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, he went crazy.